Maabitha a kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC matongoretio ni murugamiriri munene Marjan Hussein Marjan megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi mathabu niguo gutariria mahuthiro ma mbeca cia mwaka wa 2019 na 2020 na ciuria ciiyumiria ciigi mathiri maria magumeire IEBC.
The risk being
kuringana na riboti iria neanirwo bunge-ini, IEBC yari na thirĩ wa ciringi mbirioni 3.1 gukinyia mwaka wa 2020 ona gutuika thirĩ uyu ni unyihanyihitio na gukinya ciringi mbirioni 2.3.
The reason why you have pending bills here is not because of the commission. It is because we have not been allocated money for the same.
Hari thirĩ uyu ciringi mbirioni 1.9 cibatie kuriha mawakiri aria maheanire motungata macira-ini ma githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2017 ona gutuika memba kamiti ino ni monekanire gwikirira nganja muigana wa marihi maria mawakiri aya metagia, no ningi nayo IEBC igitetera yugite ati ni akuruhanirie wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari guthurima kana mathiri maya ni mabatie kurihwo na igitikirio kumariha.
There were lawyers who were being paid for a single brief as much as 45 million, 25 million, 30 million. And then the second issue is that the pool of lawyers who seemed to have been owed, and I think are still owed, are just a few group of lawyers.
Could these bills be accruing interest?
Canada was about 200 million. It has now moved to almost to 400 million.
Thirĩ ungi uria ungiagagia mihango ya IEBC ni mbeca iria citarihitwo kuri imwe cia kambuni iria ciheanaga utungata wa ukinyaniria kuri kamiti ino.
This IBM server infrastructure and KIM security solutions that cost I think 1 billion. And the purpose, the risk exposed, the exposure of voter registration data to cyber attacks.
For IBM, the reason why it was delayed first of all is they did partial work, and then after that they left.
I think there is we got allocation of 145 million for which we are waiting exchequer so that we can pay. The scanner they went to court and they won, so the amount is slightly more than 245 million. I think there is an extra cost of around 6 million. And we don't have a budget allocation to pay.
Na hamwe na uguo IEBC ni yuma na ihinda iritu gutariria wigie kana ni rarumirira watho hari gwetha kambuni iria iguthurima register ya aikia a kura, kuona watho ugite ati uyu ni wira ubatie ni kurutwo mieri 6 mbere ya githurano.
Do you concede that the commission is in breach of the law if it chooses to do the audit? Because it says at least 6 months, which means it can be earlier but not within 6 months.
This process, we started it earlier than expected, and we knew we were going to close it before the 6 months deadline period, and therefore the circumstances that happened are actually beyond the commission.
IEBC riu igutanya ati bunge ni kuhuthira mahinya mayo kumateithiriria hari kung'ethanira na moritu megemainie na mbeca niguo meharirie ma githurano matikagagio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.